Hello friends, I wish you a happy Raksha Bandhan. Uh, it's the festival of brother and sister when sister tie a protection thread on brother's wrist. So I wish you all a happy Raksha Bandhan and may you be safe and protected. Here I am back with the new videos on new lesson, and the theme of this class is past habitual tense. Past habitual means an action that used to take place in a past, not anymore. Now action has been stopped, no more going on. So that is called the past habitual. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how do we conjugate past habitual tense in Hindi. So past habitual tense or used to do something. So you could see the masculine is tha, masculine singular is tha, feminine singular is thi, which means was. For plural, the and thi, which means were. So tha, thi, the and thi. So the outline, the construction of this is subject plus object if any, then verb stem plus ta for masculine, ta for masculine, ti for feminine singular as well as plural, and te for masculine plural, followed by tha, thi, the and thin. So what is the outline? How do you conjugate? The construction structure is subject, this is subject, plus object if any, then verb stem. With the verb stem we are adding ta. Ta is for masculine singular, ti for feminine singular and plural, and te is for masculine plural, followed by tha, thi, the and thi. So this is the structure. Now we are having an example. How do we conjugate the verb in past habitual tense? For your reference, I am taking a verb which is bolna. Bolna means to speak. If we take off the na from bolna, this na from bolna, then bol is the verb stem. Bol is the verb stem. So with the different pronoun, how this will be conjugated. So if you say मैं बोलता था, masculine, मैं बोलता था, मैं, here is the bowl, with bowl we are adding what? Ta. Verb stem is bowl, then you are adding ta followed by tha for masculine. So in a written Hindi we write together bolta, this is one word, bolta, bolta. मैं बोलता था, मैं बोलता था. This means I used to speak masculine. Then we have मैं बोलती. So this बोल is the verb stem. For feminine we are adding ती, बोलती थी. मैं बोलती थी. I used to speak feminine. Moving to the next, this is हम लोग बोलते थे. This बोल is the verb stem, then we are adding te, बोलते थे. हम लोग बोलते थे. And as I have been telling you earlier in previous classes, the masculine and feminine is the same in spoken language with हम and हम लोग. हम लोग बोलते थे. We we people used to speak. Then we have आप लोग बोलते थे, बोलते थे, बोलते. ते is for all formal and plural. आप लोग बोलते थे. You people used to speak, particularly for masculine. बोलते थे. Then we have आप लोग बोलती थीं. For feminine we are adding ती. बोल plus ती. बोलती थीं. आप लोग बोलती थीं. You people used to speak. Moving to the next, second person informal. तुम लोग बोलते थे. तुम लोग बोलते थे. बोलते थे. थे. Verb stem plus थे. As we have been telling you, with the the conjugation is same like plural. So it will be तुम लोग बोलते थे. You people used to speak in formal second person. तुम लोग बोलती थीं. You people used to speak. Moving to the next, third person, informal near. In means informal near. Informal means somebody is close to you. ये बोलता था. बोलता था. ये बोलता था. Masculine. He used to speak or this used to speak. ये बोलती थी. ये बोलती थी. She used to speak. She used to speak. Then we have informal and far. Informal, far. वो बोलता था. वो बोलता था. He used to speak. Informal far feminine would be वो बोलती थी. वो बोलती थी. She used to speak. Then moving to the next, formal near. ये बोलते थे. Masculine. ये बोलते थे. He used to speak formal. Formal. Near. For feminine would be ये बोलती थीं. ये बोलती थीं. Formal near. She used to speak. Then a formal for वे बोलते थे. वे बोलते थे. He used to speak formal. वे बोलती थीं. वे बोलती थीं. She used to speak. Moving to the next. ये लोग बोलते थे. ये लोग बोलते थे. These people used to speak. Masculine. ये लोग बोलती थीं. These people used to speak feminine. वे लोग बोलते थे. Those people used to speak masculine. वे लोग बोलती थीं. Those people used to speak. So this was an example of conjugation of verb in a past habitual tense. You can conjugate any verb in past habitual tense describing used to do something, and this is one of the most significant tense that a Hindi speaker uses. So if you take another example, rahna. Rahna means to live. So rahna, if you take off na from rahna, rah is the verb stem. So outline would be rahta, rahti, rahte, followed by tha, thi, the, thing. So if you use with the pronoun, if you say मैं, so if you say I used to live in Boston, I used to live in Boston, would be मैं बोस्टन में रहता था. मैं बोस्टन में रहता था. I used to live in Boston for feminine. मैं बोस्टन में रहती थी. We used to live in Boston. हम लोग बोस्टन में रहते थे। एंड रहते थे इज फॉर बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल। यू पीपुल यूज्ड टू लिव इन बोस्टन। आप लोग बोस्टन में रहते थे। फॉर फेमिनिन वुड बी आप लोग बोस्टन में रहती थीं। तुम यू यूज्ड टू लिव इन बोस्टन, इनफॉर्मल, सिंगुलर एंड प्लुरल। तुम लोग बोस्टन में रहते थे। फॉर फेमिनिन वुड बी तुम लोग बोस्टन में रहती थी। थर्ड पर्सन, ही यूज्ड टू लिव इन बोस्टन। ये बोस्टन में रहता था। फॉर फेमिनिन वुड बी ये बोस्टन में रहती थी। इनफॉर्मल फॉर वो बोस्टन में रहता था। फॉर फेमिनिन वुड बी वो बोस्टन में रहती थी। फॉर्मल नियर, ही शी यूज्ड टू लिव इन बोस्टन। ये बोस्टन में रहते थे। फॉर्मल नियर, ये बोस्टन में रहते थे। फॉर फेमिनिन वुड बी ये बोस्टन में रहती थीं। फॉर्मल फॉर वे बोस्टन में रहते थे। वे बोस्टन में रहती थीं। दीज पीपुल यूज्ड टू लिव इन बोस्टन। ये लोग बोस्टन में रहते थे। फॉर फेमिनिन वुड बी ये लोग बोस्टन में रहती थीं। वे लोग बोस्टन में रहते थे मीन्स दोज पीपुल यूज्ड टू लिव इन बोस्टन। वे लोग बोस्टन में रहती थीं। So these are the example of past habitual tenses, and I request you to conjugate the verbs, and you can write a comment on my comment box. And if you are enjoying my classes, please do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.